in San Francisco, and obviously the first thing we do is seek out the Disney attractions. We have come to the Walt Disney Family Museum. They got a special exhibition on about the 9 old men, which is super exciting, so let's go do that. Literally the Golden Gate Bridge is over there and we're like, nah, we're gonna go learn more about Disney.
We bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
Hello, we are at the Cheesecake Factory. The Walt Disney Museum was amazing. For the last couple of rooms, I have to say, I was so hungry I couldn't focus. What did you think of it? Get on the museum. Both. Go on.
The museum was very good.
Yeah, very hungry. Yeah, I said like, my friend was messaging me about it and he was like, it's like one man's dream on steroids. So we've been to Blue Studios. It's now called Walt Disney Presents, but they have a whole bit about Walt's life, but it was that just like next level. And they had this insane like model of Disneyland, which I loved. Everything was so cool. I was Disney geeking out, but now I'm so ready for some brown bread and some cheesecake. Woo. We're just really deliriously hungry. And for anyone who doesn't know, this is the best the best bread you will ever find anywhere. Incredible. I'm not going to ramble any longer because we just need to eat this bread. So. And we have like one loaf each. Yeah. If any future guys out there want to know how to make me happy, you don't need to buy me jewelry or anything fancy, just give me this bread and cheesecake and Disney. So I've got a chickenless chicken pasta with broccoli instead, but Kira's is insane. Chicken palm pizza, right? Chicken pizza, literally. Wow. And even a pasta on top. That is amazing. That is amazing. And now we've come to the most important part of the meal, the dessert. Ooh. 2 pages of them we have to choose from. It's a pretty amazing place. It's literally like, I feel like we need an index for the menu here because it's so long, but incredible. And everything is done well. How? And our cake of choice, the celebration cheesecake, has arrived. Cream cheese frosting, strawberry, chocolate and vanilla cheesecake, I think. I don't know, it looks incredible. And we are celebrating. It's not the end of our program. We still have a couple of days left. It's fine.
Last destination.
Yes, last destination, last domestic flight complete. So once again, Kira hasn't waited for me to vlog, but taste test time. It looks like a kid's birthday party on a fork. That's what it tastes like. That's what it tastes like. Content, happy, let's go destroy it. I wonder what time it is. 7:17, let's see what time it is when we finish. Update, it is 7:23. Kira's tapped out, which means it's left for me to finish. This is a girl versus food moment. Still plowing through. Things are looking good. At 7:25, minus the cream, we have a winner. Yes, thank you. I am pretty amazing. This is my greatest achievement to date. I'd like to thank my friends and family. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, oh god, I completed this challenge.
As happy as I can be. hippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and
Good morning everyone and welcome to San Francisco, except I already vlogged a bit yesterday. I'll probably just continue it. It's the morning and we have come to the Painted Ladies, which is a little string of houses and they're probably worth like 5 million each because they're so pretty. But basically last night we finished our Cheesecake Factory, went around Macy's and then went back to the hostel because we were too cold, and now it's a sad situation. We have long sleeves and long trousers on, outfit of the day going on. We're not too happy about it. It feels like England, but we're gonna make the most of it, explore. It's so bright, it's like squinting. But everywhere we look, it seems like Full House and Princess Diaries, so that is making things a lot better. Let's go explore. Continuing our exploration of weird American items, Boston baked beans. They don't really look like Heinz ones, but... And then an absolute classic, cookies for breakfast. Love it. Something pretty tragic has happened on our travels actually. We've come to the Full House house and it's being renovated, so like it's a mess. And I'm very sad. Look. Amber True Constructions. What are you doing? I don't understand. People who own this, they're just like Mary-Kate and Ashley haters or something. This is not what we came for. It's a pretty street, but like I wanted to see it. Cry. So anyway, crushed, but time to share some Full House facts for you. We learned on our tour at the Warner Brothers Studios that some people bought that house and they got so annoyed of tourists coming to visit that they painted the iconic red door black. They got so much hate mail from doing that they moved, and the show's creator bought it back and painted it red again. But I don't know how this narrative has continued because now the door is green. So, for those of you who don't know, San Francisco is very hilly. And this is our current challenge. How are we feeling?
Bad.
No, not happy about it. Disney is all flat and level. We have not trained for these steep hills. She's coming along. She's doing it. The view is pretty cool though. What goes up must surely come down. We are at the Lion Street steps and people are actually running up and down them and they're mad.
we bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I don't care.
Completed our walk across our hike across the Golden Gate Bridge, and we then got an Uber to Sausalito, which is a little town further up. And I came here a few years ago with my family, and all I remember was the most incredible cookies from this cafe, and I couldn't remember what it was called, and we found it. And this is the chocolate chip cookie that I have dreamt about for so long. I had no idea what the place was called, and we've got one to split. Lunch is on its way, so we're gonna have to wait for that. But oh my god, this is gonna be amazing. This was worth the walk, definitely.
Our reward.
Yes, we have to give ourselves a treat at the end. We don't just walk for nothing, we walk for treats. Okay, sandwiches arrived. I have got a veggie melt extravaganza, and Kira is trying to recreate the Woody's grilled cheese here.
It's not gonna be
Already missing Toy Story.
so bad.
So good. Obviously we were very happy with our main it's all actually gone onto that. We're very happy, and now it's on to the cookie, and I hope it's as good as I remember, because I remember this being one of the best cookies ever. So, do like a cookie cheers. Right. That's a good cookie. Wait, where is this place? Because I can't forget it again. Sausalito Bakery and Cafe. Come get the cookie. Yeah. 3 thumbs up.
Yeah. We bop and pretty hot. I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and pretty zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works 1, 1, 1, 1. We bop and pretty hot. I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and pretty zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
So we've come to Fisherman's Wharf and we've been wandering around. Obviously we're drawn to all the candy stores, but we've come to one that has tons of like imported products, and they have a very weird Terry's chocolate orange. Is this what like they look like in America? Because I didn't even know they sold them here, but it's very odd. And we found some incredible things. There is incredible things. They have a white Twix, but it's $3. They have dark Milky Way. What have you found? Oh, Reese's, we're not interested in that. Nothing peanut buttery, please. And Tabasco chocolate. We have, basically there's a lot going on. I'm pretty sure Kinder Surprises are not allowed in the US, but this says chocolate and toy treasure, and it seems to be very Kinder Surprise-esque. So they also have white Kit Kats, which I'm very excited about, and just generally this makes me feel very at home. Galaxy. Oh, this is the thing. Basically anything white chocolate I'm drawn to, because I'm still trying to replace the hole that Dream Bar left in my heart. But milk or white chocolate, if this is available in the UK, please tell me, because I will be all about that, but I'm not paying $5 for it here. Although that's not too bad. Maybe I will. It's literally Rose and Crown 2.0 in here. These little pack of buttons are $2.99. What is going on in San Francisco? $2.99. And the blue skies have finally come out. Just for us, of course. There's Alcatraz and Golden Gate Bridge that we crossed earlier. I hope you're proud of us for that. We rewarded ourselves with that lunch, but it was quite a big trek to cross that. They literally have a section just called fried foods. America, in summary. So, in and out, $16 an hour. We get 10 at Disney. Kira, what have you been doing this whole summer? You could have been getting, that, and probably employee discount. Free meals. You could have been there. Whole summer wasted. So it's been a hot minute since we last talked. We got an Uber to the Westfield Shopping Centre, did some damage. I got a Bath & Body Works candle because I have luggage allowance now on the way home. And I got a shirt that's very similar to another shirt that I've already got. Kira took me into it. It's all her fault. Yeah, she's taking full...
I'll take the blame.
Yeah, taking the blame. And I've come to the food court to get something. I wasn't that hungry, and then I was like, ooh, jamba juice. So I have an acai bowl, predictable. Kira has Chinese with the orange chicken, predictable. And that's what's happening. Yay. We walked like 8 or 9 miles today. we're a bit tired and it's like 6:20. I don't know how much longer we're gonna last, so I'm gonna go enjoy this. So we've just come to Walgreens and we are stunned by the selection of gift cards. Only in America would you get Burger King. They've got like DQ, Whole Foods, which I appreciate. We have Subway, IHOP, Cheesecake Factory, again appreciate, but McDonald's? Like, this literally every, I know, it has fries. Uber, definitely one me and Kira could have used. But they have gift cards for everything. If anyone wants to give me like a $500 Cheesecake Factory gift card, I would definitely appreciate it, by the way. Just saying, you'd be my favourite subscriber. I'd even give you a shout out if that's, you know, like a motivation to give me this gift card, so hit me up. So we've come to the Disney store, who surprised no one, and oh my god, we are shook by this merchandise. They have a white MU Spirit jersey. We're okay. That is adorable. They have over here a Clever Bunny shirt. Like seriously, where is all this stuff? Memo to me, name you after my meeting. Oh my god. Okay, I'm freaking out a bit. What's this? Underclad and unattached. Oh my god. My next club night out. This is crazy. How much is a Spirit jersey? $50. Okay. A bit less than the 60. Oh, and it's so nice. Guys, they have Baymax bags and I'm not okay. Kira's back in merchantainment mode. We're very happy and they have so much stuff here that we don't. It's so cool. Oh god, we're just obsessed. It's like so cool to see new Disney merch as well because I got so bored of the old stuff. Like, this is so cool. This is a historic moment right now. We have Moana merch. This is not a gel. This is Moana merch. We even have bread and butterfly handbags. Proof that this Disney store wins everything. We've managed to escape the store without spending any money because when you don't have 20% off, it's kind of painful looking at the prices, but I wanted that whole store basically. But I'm feeling very proud of myself right now. I've spent a lot today, but not on Disney for once. All my home friends will be relieved because they think I'm super extra. I am, but you know. Just gonna end the vlog here of Kira living her best, Instagramming her froyo, like the basics that we are. Happy? Yes. Yeah. It's been a very good, long day. It's now 7:40 and we left at 9 and we have walked more than 8.5 miles. So it's like 4 o'clock one day all over again. So ready to go back to the hostel, crash, sleep and do it all over again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.